There's no way you would meet me on social media and hate me without knowing my story. There's something wrong. There's something that's happening in your life that you're unable to share. And you are expressing yourself through showing hate. And that's okay. So you need that. I don't need love from these people. I want them. Guys, hate me more. Show your love to your loved ones. Knock sharp. Nah, show me hate. Hate me more. I'm gonna make more money. Next time when I come here, I'll come guy helicopter. My man, you'll make space for me on top.
I hope so that people after watching this, they will less call you a scammer.
No, I want them to more call me a scammer. My man, Salawana, when you open the drop top and you're driving a Ferrari on the highway, nothing else matters, man. Whether they say you're a scammer or you're legit, what their opinions, what value will they bring? Just let's be realistic. Let's say all the people who say scammers all of a sudden start loving me. Will I have more money? Will I have less money? It's not going to make any difference. So I want more. Actually, I need new haters because this one's Gavafari e-wallet. They are happy. I need more haters, my man. Because with haters, I'm going to the next level, I know. Without hate, you're not moving anywhere. Without criticism, you will never move from where you are. You see your podcast, if they don't compare it with another one, you will never break the boundaries.
True.
You can't become the best if you are never the worst. So you need that. I don't need love from these people. I want them. Guys, hate me more. Show your love to your loved ones. Knock sharp. Nah, show me hate. Hate me more. I'm going to make more money. Next time when I come here, I'll come guy helicopter. My man, you'll make space for me on top because of haters. Because when they hate, I sit down. Remember, also, one important thing about haters, they will always guide you. On your podcast, they're able to comment and say, Justice, hi, when we don't like the way you are wearing. You look less cool, and also your podcast has poor sound quality. They just taught you there. Go look cool and improve your sound quality. Haters will give you advice free of charge. Listen to your haters. You will see. You'll get the best advice to improve yourself. After improving the fashion and the mic, they will come for your cameras. You improve your cameras. They don't stop. They keep on improving you. Because if you now go back and say, I'm wearing like this because this is the only clothes I afford, that's where they want you to psychologically drain your mind. But if you say, oh shit, they are right. Let me try and get something nicer. Let me try and improve the mic. You'll see you'll grow. Haters are part of our growth. Without them, we are nothing. Without haters, there's no growth. Without good, there's no evil. Well, I understand.
Yeah.
So it depends on how you view it. I love them. I'm waiting for more hate. I'm ready. I got hate. I got DM. I can send your number for e-wallet. You send it. Then that's why I see or you are just hungry.
Have you done that?
Yeah, I do that. All my haters, I give them e-wallet.
And they send the number.
They are poor, my man. When hate. They have money. They don't have time for nonsense. It's always these ones. I do that, yes. Because I understand. I understand that there's no way you would meet me on social media and hate me without knowing my story. There's something wrong. There's something that's happening in your life that you are unable to share. And you are expressing yourself through showing hate. And that's okay. I'm here to help you.
No, man, thank you so much, man.
Thank you, man.
I think the ending of this showed me a different side of you.
Yeah.
The good side of you.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of people, they're going to learn so much. And I think a lot of people, they need to learn a lot from you, man. Imagine if, I'm pretty sure you sort of developed multiple millionaires.
Yeah, definitely, yes.
When it comes to Forex.
And they're not on socials like that, because it's part of me teaching you to say, if you wanna survive in this life thing, social media is not for everyone. Now I'm already out. I'll be the sacrificial. So if you make money, keep quiet, my man.
Interesting.
Amongst my group, nobody's poor. Nobody.
So for all the millionaires that you've developed when it comes to Forex,
Yeah.
do they come back to you to sort of thank you?
My man, they've done a lot of things for me. Literally a lot of things. Some of the things I no longer pay for them. O mongwe o sala a ntshentshetsa dithaere tsa Bentley tse 4. You understand? So they thank me in various ways, not money directly, but coach, what can we do? Or some of them even buy me alcohol at Groove, even though I've never drank. So I just take it and give it to my guys.
Have you gotten some people who are trying to be next to you and you feel like here the energy is not so right, especially in the entertainment industry?
No, not really. Not really. I think my energy just attracts the right people mostly. I think people whom our energies don't match just don't come to me. Because I think maybe they also know that I'm a straightforward character. I'll never pretend that I connect with you while I don't. You will see it from the onset.
Yeah, that's a special gift, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a very special gift. No, man. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate your time, man. Thank you for making 2 hours.
Yeah, it is.
2 hours so that we can have this conversation.
Thank
and
you,
I think that people, after watching this, they're going to change their perception and how they see you. You know, negative news, they travel faster than good news.
That is true.
You know, once they say you're a scammer.
Yeah, hey, really. I love it. Because I'm a scam, I get a police station here. Why don't they give me a case number? If you say I'm a scammer, go open a case. Let's see. So you can't say I'm a scammer if there's no case number. Go open a case. Social media is not caught. So you can see it's hotspotted hate. Sizo hotspotile ola hotspota mama ola. So they have a community of witches. And I actually love them. They're my children. All of them I inspire them because they know a lot more about me than I do.